Everything you think, everything you feel, every action you take is because of your beliefs and values. You may not be aware of it, you may not be conscious of it, but your values shapes your decisions and your decisions shapes your life. If you value money more than happiness, that your life might be full of expensive things, but there will be no joy in that experience. Your values signals what is important to you. There are emotional states that shows you what is important to you and what you want to experience. Imagine how different your life would be if you change your value of money and replace it with the value of love. Creating and stating your values consciously change the directions of your life. If you decide to apply any of these values to your life, in your own words, in your own way, your own life will be one and more valuable. The following 10 most important tips, human values. Number 1, help and enjoy. This might be the most important value of all to some people. It will be the most important value of all to solve some of those who have experienced serious health problems without physical health. It is very unlikely you can experience and enjoy all other values at the deepest level. Great health gives you energy and vitality, which enables you to dive deeper into the more important things in life and give more energy and time to those you love. Make the value of health and energy and priority in your life. By learning what daily nutrition and exercise the best to fuel your body, what would it take for you to enter the physical peak? Learn it, apply it. Number 2, love. The overuse of these words makes it easy to misunderstand the true meaning of it. This is not just a romantic love, but the love of all things, truth, non-judgmental love. The love you have for your family, your friends, the love you have for your favorite thing, the love you have for your passion and your mission. Making love should be priority in your life. There is no room for hate and difference. You can experience love doing anything with anyone. You can experience love in yourself, by yourself. How would your life would change if you value love higher? Number 3, gratitude and appreciation. There's truly no greater power on earth than gratitude. Real gratitude shuts down all other negative emotions at the moment. So how important is gratitude to you? Well, how important is it for you to feel good? If you is easy and important, you must make gratitude a top value and practice it as a priority every day. It costs you nothing, but it makes you so rich. It takes nothing away from you, anyone else, but it gives you so much power. How much more magical would your life would be if you live in a constant state and appreciation for everything that is great in your life. Number 4, kindness and compassion. The world would certainly be a better place if people shows more kindness and compassion, less judgment, more respect. Is placing yourself in someone else's shoes before you judge them. Have you ever noticed how good it feels when you're kind to someone but no reason? It feels good to be kind because it is right to be kind. What would your life would be like? What would your life world would be like if you value kindness and compassion? Number 5, integrity. Knowing you're doing the right thing, even no one is watching, no one will do either way. The inner knowing, you always do what is right. That brings pride. It brings inner peace. When you value integrity, you value doing what is right. It is such a powerful values. that not only makes the difference in your own life, but also sets a powerful examples to all those close to you. It brings honesty and trust. How would your life be different if everyone knew you as a person of integrity? Number 6, giving. This goes to kindness and compassion. As humans, we are built to give. Not just give money, you think. Give ourselves fully to others in need, to serve selflessly. Karma always ensures what you give in return. That is not why you give. If you give because that is your nature, it's not an effort, it's natural, it feels good, then you know there is no lag. How differently would you feel if you value giving higher in your life? Number 7, growth. Human beings are wired to growth. Growth comes from experience, from learning, failures, from achievements, from intention to get better. This doesn't mean you get better, you win. It means getting better, you can give more to the world, so you can experience more, enjoy more. It's about becoming greatest version of yourself, not just for yourself, but for others, setting the example of what is truly possible, reaching your highest potential with intention. How much better would your life be when you value growth higher in your list? Number 8, peace. Peace. Nothing more needs to be said. It's getting to that place of needing nothing. It's being alone and being in place. It's presence. It's reactionless. It's the silence at the peak of the mountain. How high do you value peace? How much better would your life would be if you had more peace in it? Number 9, family, friendship, and connections. Is caring about someone more than you care about yourself. Is putting others first. Is making time for people you care about. Is giving the people you love, and maybe even stranger, you complete present and building the connections. Is making someone else's days better just because you are in it. Is bringing your best self to every encounter so the other person walks away with a smile. How different would your life would be, and countless others, if you took this approach? Will you value connections higher on your list? Number 10, happiness, enjoys, playfulness, is fun, is non-seriousness, is a state of real happiness. When time stops and you love what you are doing, is what we all seek. What we do it in so many different ways. Some try to find out through money, and no type of paper is going to bring it to you. Some try to find it through achievements and success, but they come up empty. It's within, and it's a choice. It's always available and never oneself. You decide, will you make this priority and a top value? How different would your life be if you have had happiness as your highest value? Value your life. Your life will be beautiful. Do subscribe my channel and wait for the next video some other time. Dear brothers and sisters, try to follow the 10 tips I have given you that can change your life, that can make you, that can even break you, and you can break through anything you want to. I will see you with a new video some other time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.